Hi guys, welcome back to another Cubicraft video. Today I am going to be showing you this cool mailbox I built. So at the moment you can see it's got a weather station on top. It's telling me right, it's pretty cloudy outside. So it's cool. You can raise it up like this. If you raise this and then put it down, oh, what's this? I've already got some mail in our mailbox. It says Cubicraft. Is it to me then? What does it say? That's cool. It says, what is there to do in Ricardo? I don't know if you can read that, but there. So you might want to know, I do live in Invercargill. So I'm guessing I'm gonna be making a couple of videos on what there is to do in Invercargill, which is gonna be cool. But anyways, hi, I'm Cubicraft. Welcome back to another video. So make sure to follow my socials and let's get into the video. So in a couple videos, maybe, I don't know how many, I will be uploading something to do in Invercargill, because I'm pretty sure when we looked for stuff here, we moved, we couldn't find much. So I hope you will enjoy those videos. Make sure to share those videos when they come out, but they won't be coming out for a little while yet. And if you don't know, I've got my birthday on Wednesday, which is 2 days away. So yeah, say in the comments like happy birthday or something, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you yeah, so it's exciting. And let's get right into the video. So today's build is gonna be a mouse trap. Now, this mouse trap might not work. I've made a couple, but I left one downstairs and that exploded because of a mouse. So it might not work, but at least they're cool. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. I don't have it to show here because, as I said before, it exploded. And I'm gonna have to remake it from when we're building it. So I hope you enjoy the video and let's get right into it. So the pieces you will need for this mouse trap are pretty, I don't know if they're simple, but you should have them. Maybe with the exception of a couple. You'll need 2 of these pieces. You'll need 2 2x1 bricks. 2 1x5, I think. Whole thing. 10 6x5, I think. Cool structures like that. And one of them you can have as a window. You can have all of them if you want. A 1x8 brick. A 1x4 flat piece, 2 slope pieces, 1x3 slope pieces, 3 1x6 pieces with holes in them. Those are important, you do need those. 1 of these pieces, or 2 of those, sorry. 1x8 flat piece, a 1x2 flat piece, 2 2x6 flat pieces, a 1x4 flat piece, a 1x10 flat piece, 2 1x1 flat pieces, a 1x1 circular flat piece, 10 of these pieces, and finally 1 of these. You'll also need an 8x8 flat piece, an 8x16 flat piece, and one of these, and a base plate, not the square but the rectangular one. And that's what you need for your mouse trap. So this is what your build should look like now. Looks really cool. I especially like that view. That looks really cool there. So you should have your holes there. And you got that there, and yeah. So this part here, you can raise it up. That looks cool. And so basically when the mouse comes, what we're trying to do, the mouse comes through, and we go boom, like that. So yeah, let's keep building. So some of the pieces I mentioned when we were doing the string of pieces, you might not need them, as I had just got the pieces from the exploded mousetrap. Might be a slightly different one, so please bear in mind. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get your 2x6s, and I'm going to put them here. Now you can replace these for 1x6 flat pieces, but yeah, like that. You're going to get your 8x8 and stick that on top like so. When you get it on, which takes a lot of time, like that. There you go. Next, what you want to do is you want to go get this piece here and put it so that it looks like that it will fall down like that, as you can see here. So now what you're going to do is that there's a piece I did not mention in the instructions that you will need. You will need a piece of string about that long. So this piece of string is going to be your tripwire. So if it's too short, find a longer one. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is that this part's a bit challenging, so I'm just going to move the camera around so you can see a bit better, and then we'll come back. So what you want to do here is you want to go get your string and knock out this part here. Well, not knock it out, but you got to keep the red thing there. So what you're going to do is that you're going to thread the string through the hole you made at the first step, as you can see there. So what you're going to slide it all the way until it gets about, so it's about to cross, and then stick that red thing on top, but not too far. So you want to be careful now when you pull it. You don't want to pull it too hard. Now what you want to do is you want to grab your piece here and the 1x2, and you want to put that, connecting it up as the same way we did the red thing, but make sure there's a bit more room. So now when you put it over, what it should do is that it now should be hanging like that. So you might, yeah, which is cool. So I'm just gonna, you're gonna put your piece on top here, like this. Then get this piece here and put that there, and just cover the whole area up like that. And you can get this thing I'm putting it here. So we didn't really need the 1x10 after all. But yeah, you've built yourself a mousetrap. Now I'm gonna go show you how it works, and yeah. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna pretend that we've got the camera where we are, the block of gold or something. This crook's gonna come steal it. We're on a long pole so I can move him in, so it won't look like this. So he comes in and then crosses the tripwire. There you go. You get stuck. You can't get out. So you might have to fiddle with the top because things might get stuck. But yeah, that's the mousetrap. Thank you guys for watching this Cubicraft video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Help you. You can make a couple of these and yeah, get some nice. If they explode and you get any footage, please send it to me. I've got my email and the link in the description. Make sure to join my Discord and Spotify, and I'm also setting up some cool stuff. You can check in the description, like Classcraft and do a classroom thing. Yeah, so thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.